Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 14. I cannot believe we only have a few weeks left of this course. Um, on Under our instructions, we have a module overview for you. And this week we will be reading chapter 14 in our textbook. So before you read, you want to make sure to kind of look over this information, these core concepts that I want you to take away. So we're going to learn about you'll be able to describe how a family and staff or students will evaluate a program and a setting. You're going to distinguish between various types of formal program assessments, which is very important. You'll also, you're looking at indicators of the program quality by observing the child's adjustment, as well as comparing curriculum models and possible effects of group care on development. And then lastly, determine how to help all children adjust to group care. Okay. And then the SLO that we'll be covering in this week's readings is once again looking over the observation and assessment tools and be able to list the strengths and the limitations of each. So to be successful within this module this week, you want to make sure to read chapter 14. Look over the videos and the PowerPoints that I provide for you. They're all open. And just like every week, the quiz is due by Friday, May 14th at 11:59. You get 2 attempts, and it is worth 10 points, and the system will automatically take your highest score. Now, the discussion this week is called Common Practices. Let me jump over there. And what you'll be doing is you're going to review common practices listed in Chapter 14 and how many do you currently or plan to use. And then I want you to defend your selections and state whether you agree or disagree with the author of our textbook. And again, your original thread is due by Wednesday, 11:59, and your 2 peer posts are due by Friday. All 3 of those must be on different days, guys, for full credit. Make sure you do conduct your threads on different days. In other words, if I have my main one on Tuesday and I have a peer post on Thursday and one on Friday, that's 3 separate days and I will receive full credit. If you don't, you will be deducted, so make sure that you are looking at that. Also, continue to go ahead and work on observation 3. It is due May 29th, so we have some time. The peer review is due the 21st. So you want to make sure you're going to peer review your partner, get all the information in, so everybody will have another set of eyes looking over the observation before the observation final paper is actually due on the 29th. Other than that, that's it for the week. Have a fabulous week. If you have any questions at all, please email me and I'll get back to you ASAP. If not, have a fabulous week and happy Mother's Day to all of you who are mothers. Take care.